Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right compression level. 15-20 mm Hg is mild, 20-30 mm Hg is common for varicose veins, and higher grades need a clinician. Put stockings on in the morning before your legs swell. Make sure skin is dry and free of lotions, trim nails, and remove rings or jewelry that could catch. Once these checks are done, use a donning aid or rubber glove grip to roll the stocking over your hand, position the heel, and slowly unroll up the leg. Once the stocking is on, focus on fit and gradient pressure. The tightest point should be at the ankle and gradually decrease up the leg. Smooth out any wrinkles or folds because bunching creates pressure points and can cut circulation. Align the heel and seam so the stocking sits naturally. If you have thigh highs, sit and raise your leg to ease tension and secure the top band. Make sure the compression feels firm but not numb. Adjust or reapply if circulation feels compromised. To finish the routine, remove stockings at night unless advised otherwise, because prolonged wear can risk skin issues. Wash them gently after each use with mild detergent and air dry to preserve elasticity. Avoid heat. Plan to replace stockings every 3 to 6 months or when support weakens. If you experience persistent pain, numbness, or tightness, remove the stocking immediately, reposition, and reapply carefully. If those symptoms continue or skin breaks down, contact your clinician for assessment and a potential alternative compression strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.